I don't even have chat set up. I have nothing. I just have a screen capture. That's it. Very cool. I don't even know. It's like 300 by, yeah, I guess. Okay, I tried. I don't even know. Yeah, I had a bug report come in, and it's actually an interesting bug. I also had an email come in from YouTube. They told me that they would cut my monetization if I didn't start doing something because my channel's dead. Basically, they told me I need to have like 3 public uploads in the last 90 days or something like that. Basically, I just have to do stuff. Otherwise, I'm not gonna get the passive money from tutorials. Yeah, that's the short version. Yep. I just started this. I have no clue if this will even compile. I literally have no clue what's happening. What is this? This is like a fresh VS Code install that I have here. I literally have zero clue what will happen when I do this. Let's see. What's gonna happen? Will it compile? Okay, it compiles. We have working compilation, I guess. Right. I guess I should show the bug report that came in. We're gonna reproduce it, and we're gonna fix it. It's a pretty nice bug. And then I'm gonna try to do some stuff with the matrix right after that. So here's the bug. So essentially what happens is you have, where is it? You have a fades, and fades work differently based on the BPM. So if you have a fade like this and you do it like that, that does stuff. Now you change this to 300 and now it's faster. Okay, so what's the problem? Well, the problem happens when you launch Ableton, or I guess this Ableton if you'd like to call it like that. We'll need Max for Live for this. Okay, so you run Ableton and you drop the connector inside of this. And I should probably pull out a launchpad, but we're doing like this for now. Computer keyboard time. Oops. So let's connect this to the virtual one, and then let's use this. That's better. Okay, does this work? Can we get an always on top? Yes, we can. That's fine. Right. Not working. Why? Why wouldn't that work? Am I not selecting the right track? That's what's wrong. Okay. Okay, I'm not getting feedback on that, but that's okay. I probably just have to look at this instead. Yeah, okay. So Where's the bug? The bug says that if you have a BPM ramp, so you take this setup and you open up the master and you go to automation and you automate the song tempo and you change that BPM. It's already crashed. Okay, so all you have to do for it to crash is you cause a BPM change in Ableton, and yikes. Okay, and what happens is if you go into this file, which I can see here, if you go into that file, when the BPM changes, it tries to regenerate the fade device. So it recalculates what the gradient is. Problem is, I also use the same recalculation function if you change the colors on the fade in the UI. It goes to common code. So once that regenerates, it tries to update the UI, but when I'm coming from the set BPM, I'm not on the right thread, and that is a problem. So for that to work, I need to have it inside of this, but I'm getting this part outside of it, and that's a problem. I need to get that inside of here. And that's like a quick fix, I guess. However, I would like to find out why exactly that part is out of it. Maybe there's a reason for that. So let's view the git blame on that. Okay, we're looking at the git blame. So resize gradient space, that was changed in a bug fix. Okay, that's not a bug fix, that's a UI enhancement. Yeah, git blame. There's like few lines of code made by Brendan in here, come on. Brendan's done stuff. He's been a legend back then. I'm very happy to have had him at some point. Right, so someone wanted a little zoom tool to make it larger for a resizable fade. Yes, okay. So that was changed because of that. And oh, I kind of lost track now of where I was. I have no idea. Oh, that's slow. Wait, what? Okay, hold on. I'm confused. Which line is this again? 287. No. What the fuck? Did I go back already? Yeah, I already went back. Okay. That's why. Okay. But now I just noticed something interesting while I was looking at that. That's what I changed. Okay. Okay, I see now. That's the part that I changed right there, that I noticed. So, okay, fade viewer. So previously we'd been caching that like into this. Okay, and now I need to see where all I've used that. Yeah. Okay, and then yeah, I had gotten it immediately, so I moved that into there, and that fixed whatever bug I had then, but introduced a new one. So this, there's no reason for it to be outside in that old code, so that should work. Let's give it a try. Let's try properly debugging it this time. Oh, I still have the old configs. Okay, yeah, then all of my setup is okay. And then we'll try to fix it. Okay, so make a new one, connect it, fade, okay, and let's look at the virtual launchpad. Oh, what? Oh, what? Are there more bugs that I'm not aware of? What the hell? Seems like there are more bugs. That wasn't a thing earlier when I tried to look at it. Earlier, No, I can't even open it. Is it? Oh, cause never mind. That's because it's already open. I just didn't see it. Okay, so then that means that. Oh, never mind. There are no bugs there. I just didn't realize the window was open. Right. So we go back to Ableton, and okay, we can still do that. But now when we change the BPM, no crashes, and the fade does seem to speed up. Let's try making it faster. Like super slow actually is better. Okay, yeah, that's slow. That's super fast. So that's fixed the bug. Okay, now I kind of want to go through the set BPM thing. Because I want to see if there's anything else that could potentially be called by that. So let's go look at find all references. No, that's the only thing that's tied to that. So that's the only bug. Okay. Now, I don't know if there's anything else that is specifically triggered by the connector. I see this is where that gets triggered. That's where that comes from. I don't think there's anything else really that's like quite like that. I don't think. This MIDI disconnects, connections. Doesn't look like anything else can be triggered like that. Okay, so I will call that fixed. So let's go to the issue. I did it on the PR, which is not it's not very good. I'm gonna have to go back because this PR is for matrix support, so I'll have to port this. It's a super easy fix. I have some the pre-release stashed. Okay, we don't care about that. We're moving this to, I guess I should have a branch for this now. Where's the matrix branch go? It goes to master. I do not like that. I would prefer it to go to wait, what else did I want to do for this? Let me check real quick. Before 1.9. Yeah, no, I want to release matrix support before 1.9 because 1.9 is gonna take me like a million years, knowing my schedule. For 1.9, I guess that's it. And Avalonia update. Honestly, I'm not really interested in 1.9 at all unless I can get Avalonia up to date. And Avalonia is kind of yikes. Most of these problems are solved except for this one. And that's a pretty big issue for me, that one specifically. I kind of can't really do anything without that, so I am going to ignore that for now. So let's make a branch for that stuff. So I'll leave that to... Oh, yeah, that's fine. I can overwrite that. It's okay. Yes, leave them, please. Let me check if they are still there. Yes, they are. Okay. So I want a new branch, 1.8.12. Yeah, we can publish it immediately. And now I want to port this from here. Restore, and then bring it to, not master, bring it to 1.8. Okay, so fade viewer, get gradient fill on UI thread regenerating, fixes issue, commit, push. Okay, now this should be mentioned. Yes, okay. Right, so now I kind of want to have a look at this. So let's rebase this. How do I change that to go into 1.8.12? Edit, base, 1.8.12. I don't really want to lose all the comments though. I'll just trust whatever GitHub says here, and we'll see. Yep, okay. Seems fine enough. So now if I pull this PR, will it have the bug fix that I just implemented? No, it won't. Why is that? Does it really matter? I'm unsure. Can I delete this branch locally? And then maybe I can grab it again. And then that'll force it to refresh. Okay, I have no clue why that's being weird. It's whatever. I guess when I merge it, it's gonna be fine. Okay, so what are we doing? Matrix time. So for the matrix, I wanted to add a UI control. So let's go to Launchpad Grid. So the main problem with this is this, and actually this, all this logic. You look at the definitions. So Launchpad, no, not that one. This one. So if you go here to, like, I guess this, yeah, there we go. So the Matrix Pro does actually have the side LEDs. I guess in the form of underlights. I'm not entirely sure. Matrix, let's see. Yeah, this one. I guess that would be these right there. Okay, learn more at the Kickstarter link. I can't even search this because it's all pictures. Okay, yeah, RGB underglow. So how the fuck am I gonna model that? I guess I can do the matrix like the regular one. Yeah, that one should be easy to do. How the hell am I gonna model the rest though? Because I think I just add everything programmatically, right? Okay, those are all the button logic, that's fine. So I guess it would be here. Okay, so they're all separate buttons. So I guess something could be done. Something custom could be modeled for that. Oops. Yeah, something custom could be modeled for the Pro variant. I think I'm gonna go for the Matrix as a start. Right. Let's have Matrix in here. Oh, I even added a to-do. Okay, cool. Are there any other to-dos? For like, yeah, I guess it can, but eh. Hey SCJ, I ended up making a web media library for Pro Mark 3. I honestly do not remember what you were doing. If you could remind me, that would be really cool. So you control Apple Music. How does that work? Yeah, this is fine. To a website, so what the website takes in MIDI and then the website interfaces with Apple Music. Is that what happens? Oh, so you had a user script to Apple Music, which talks to MIDI. Okay, that's actually very smart. That's very clever. Oh, yikes. Okay, there's a bunch of code. Yeah, I think I'll just do the regular Matrix, and then the Matrix Pro I will leave out, or I will leave for next time. Because I can't really think of a smart way to do the underlight. So yeah, I think I'll be doing it like this then. So what is this? Oh right, so if the version was... Okay, so now I'll have the model in the latest version. Wait, I need to bump up the version for this. Oh, this requires 1.9. I just realized. Adding this in requires me to bump the version up. That's not very good. Unless, maybe, if I allow for that. If I allow for that, then kind of. Then it's kind of okay. We'll see. See if there's a problem. Have the user... Oh, cool. Pixelated... Oh, that's very cool. Pixelated version of the album art. Use RGB. That's cool. That's essentially what Apollo does with the GIF importing. Okay, so for the matrix here, I want... all the corners to just be skipped. Okay, and then here I have to design this. Okay, so I give empty to all of these. So I guess this. What is empty compared to hidden? What? Okay. So this is in like inverse XY coordinates. Oh, okay, so hidden is what, like what? I am very confused right now. What's the difference between hidden and empty? Empty doesn't even exist. I guess empty is for stuff that doesn't have a physical button. But then that confuses me. That really, really, really confuses me. That's nice. I mean, but the launchpad does allow you to create faders on it. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if the Pro Mark III does, but the launchpad does definitely allow you to create faders over SysX without you actually having to implement a fader. Let me check that. I'm pretty sure. No, that's the user guide. I want the technical programmer thingy. Let's see. The Pro did allow you to do this. Let's see if this will do. Is that all that they let you do? Let's see, fader. The all fader setup. Okay. The all faders. Let's see. Yeah, you can set up faders like this. You can use this as SysX message. So they do still support that. That's cool. Don't want to deal with the draw. Yeah. Yeah, it's not a very useful interface. Can you mix them? I'm pretty sure you can mix them. I don't know the exact details. I know this because I remember having to re-implement this in the custom firmware because I wanted feature parity. So yeah. Oh, I see. Cool stuff. Yeah, interesting. I just don't really know how this works here. It shouldn't that be like the small setup button? Let me actually look at that. I mean, this is kind of, it's just broken right now, but that's very cool. Very cool project. Yeah, how does a small button get generated? Is that really what hidden does? That's what I'm interesting. That's small button. Hey Cosby, thank you. I don't really need the praise, but thank you so much. Fuck. How does hidden become that? What the fuck? Did I just name it in a very weird way or something? Oh, I think that's because of the... Oh, I think I might have used those for like the all thing or something. Hold on, let me check what the all thing looks like. When you change this to all... Ah, so these, I thought these were like hidden, like the hidden notes, and then I just reused it. Okay, so I just named it really shittily. May have a use for something interesting? Okay. I see, I see. Interesting. Okay, so I think we're gonna go with empty then. So if that, then empty. Else we're definitely adding something. And then looking at the matrix, it's literally just a launchpad. Like, it looks like a launchpad. So we're gonna make it look like a launchpad. So you do ret++, and then you... so all these are gonna get filtered out. So all you really need is like this part, I think. That none of them are like special. It's like just corner, everything else is a square. That's it, I think. So that'll give us a matrix, I guess. That's a matrix. And then next, need to, that's fine. That doesn't have to change. Has innovation LED. That's correct. Grid size. This is the one that becomes difficult now. So the grid size for these is a return 10. If model. Okay, we have X and Mark II. But not the matrix. That's a 9. Else return 8. For new exception, because nah. Honestly, I should just special case this and then just return 9. It's simpler. Hello, Mr. Plox. This is in the middle and the launchpad disconnects. That sounds like it's updated. But also, the Mark II does not support custom firmware, so not sure how you're trying to do custom firmware on the Mark II, because that doesn't exist. Do you mean... do you just mean this? Do you mean just this toggle here? Because this is just for the Pro. That's custom firmware. See, FW is custom firmware. That's for the Pro. And for the Mark II, we have this. That's just this mod. Right, grid size. Okay, and I hope it'll just react fine to that. I have audio off. Yeah. Okay, now I kind of need to work with that combo box, so I need to switch with it. After Chroma Brave given an error, okay. I mean, the way it should work is that you get scrolling update text, and then that text freezes in the middle of it. Your launchpad disconnects, and then your launchpad reboots into the new firmware. So I'm not sure. Because that to me sounds kind of like it's working. And you say after Chroma Brave gives an error. Not sure. Because if it like scrolls for a bit, like a few seconds, and then it freezes, disconnects. That sounds about exactly what should happen when you're updating your firmware. Which is kind of weird. Yo, Prismatic, what's up? I missed the Eternity up there. I'm sorry. Hey. You're gonna eventually learn C so you can screw around. Oh, right. I have Atmos Studio now. Yeah, we had to do some work on Atmos Studio for uni. So I actually have that now. Might be able to just compile. But I don't know. I would do it myself if I had a MIDI fighter, but I don't. So yeah, I guess. Does this work like that? Can I do it like that? Or is it gonna bitch at me for being... Yeah, it's gonna bitch at me. I have to put this at the end. Matrix. Okay, and now... came to say how you're... Oh, you're on vacation. Cool. Have fun. Enjoy your time off. Launch key Mark 3. I see. Alright. Sounds good. Yeah, I don't know. My MIDI Fighter 64, I don't know if that firmware is any good because I can't try it, obviously. But if I had a MIDI Fighter 64, I would definitely spend some time on that. Either hacking the firmware or just doing stuff. It's fine. I do want to give Mark II firmware a shot again, though. Mark II custom firmware, I don't know. It's something I wanted to do. I've done a lot of work for like embedded systems in uni. I've worked with ESPs now. I've worked with like actual STM32 dev kits now. So I have a lot more of a wider view of what's actually happening, like on the low level. So I might give Mark II a second shot. I feel like that's something I could kind of see myself doing. I have a theoretical approach for how it would be viable to make custom firmware work. We'll see. I have a bunch of other stuff I want to do first this summer. But Apollo is kind of on the list, kind of isn't, because of Avalonia bullshit. First and foremost, I want to finish Keyboard Inspector, as that's been kind of sitting around. I mean, it's been sitting around shorter than Apollo and Launchpads have, but I kind of want to finish that first. But yeah, I will see what I can do about Mark II. That's definitely something I want to try. Okay, so I changed that. I need to check if enums. Yeah, I need to check if this will break now. So now when I get 8 here, what will actually happen? Like what's it gonna do? Have Instagram? No. I actually maybe. I used to have it. Like back in the old days, I used to have it. I remember deactivating it, but I think it's actually still up. Yeah, it is still up actually. But no, I don't use it. I haven't. Last time I used it was in like 2018, I think, or something like that. I should definitely deactivate it at some point. I'll add that to my list of stuff. I probably reactivated it because I needed it for something. And then just never deactivated it. If you want to follow like what I do now, This is where I post the most now. This YouTube channel, my gaming stuff. I've been posting mostly here. You can follow up there, or you can follow on my GitHub. GitHub, whatever. Because on my GitHub, you can actually see when I'm doing stuff. It's not very often. But this is where you will see what I've been kind of doing. This is mostly uni stuff, but... yeah, I guess. I haven't done anything really since April, I think. So... But yeah, if I'm doing stuff, you'll see here, basically. You'll see here and you'll see here. Those are the main two outlets that I've had. I've just been kind of fucked by uni a lot this year so far. I haven't really done anything too useful. Right. I think this needs to kind of... be reformed a bit. Otherwise, just return one. Yeah, actually. Yeah, that's... Yeah. That's very simple. Okay, so we'll need both of those, I'm pretty sure. Ooh. Not good. AI. Bad AI. Slap on the wrist. Right. So it just uses that kind of. How does it know though? What? Or do I just handle them differently? Because I never give it that stuff. I don't give it the... Oh, it's probably when I create them. What? Or something. How do I deal with that logic? Not entirely sure. Where's the array, like the big array of launchpad buttons? How does that create? Ah, here. Okay, that's where the... Okay. So it is aware of what number it is. Okay, grid set row, set column. So how do I... It's probably here. Yeah. So I give it those. So where I have zeros, that's where I'm not wanting anything. So I have to put offset in here. Is that how it works? And music production? No. I don't really have a good ear for that at all. That's never really been a thing for me. There have been attempts, but I just don't like it. Not something I would like to do. I like deconstructing music. I don't like constructing music. Yeah, Alexi's gone full music production. What age did I have my first launchpad? At 15. Actually, probably even earlier, like 14. No, yeah, 14. I got my mini May 2015. I was definitely 14 then. So I started at 14. Yeah, I had a regular ass mini. It's a basically the S but in a smaller form factor. It's basically what it was. Next was the Pro actually. I still have that Pro today. The same Pro from like 2017, I think. Cost me 300 euros back then. Brand new. You can find them secondhand for like what, at 120 I think now. Yeah, next was the Mark II, I'm pretty sure. Shit, how does this work? I don't even know. So it just gives me... Okay, row definitions, parse. So the definition of the rows is just all this... Oh, so first the ones, then the zeros. Okay. Yeah. Then the zeros and... Okay. We're gonna have to make that different. We're gonna need a different approach to that. So the definitions of each row is like, is the row present or not? So it makes sense to first put the zeros and then the... So it makes sense to first put the ones and then the zeros. Yeah, okay. Okay, so... How do we deal with that? I need to make this but smarter. This is not a very good way of making it. So this works because I have it in the corner at all times. I want it to not be in the corner now. So offset, it goes like towards that corner, top right, and then... Okay, I think I kind of have a rough idea of what I would do here. Yeah, MK3, I don't have it to this day. It's just way too overpriced and way too jank. I don't really care about it. They used like free RTOS for it, and I'm pretty sure that's one of the big reasons why it's kind of jank. The old bare metal ones were a bit better. I'm sure there's a good reason why that is, but for our intents and purposes, it's pretty jank. So. Let's do it like this. New character array. So character. Oh, not strings easier. Strings array. Row lists. I know there's gonna be 10 of them always. So you go. And you can do the same with the column list. Okay. So you go for all of these and you ask yourself if... Yeah, that pretty much. That exactly. Else if... Yes. Okay. Else. So you can actually do if I larger than offset. So offset smaller than I, and I is smaller than offset however many buttons there are. So in the case, oh, you lost money in the one you bought for Apollo Dev. Didn't you buy that one because you wanted to see how it worked for production though? Wasn't that like one of the main reasons? And then Apollo was like a secondary reason? Or am I misremembering? I was talking about the Pro when I was mentioning how cheap they are now. Apollo was the main, really? Wow, okay. I did, so I basically bullied you into that. I'm sorry. I did, I I do not remember this. Wow. I'm sure it's true. It's just wow. Damn. Damn, bro. Yeah, I've learned to program by myself. I started doing coding stuff at the age of like 12, 11 maybe. As early as 11, I think. Hi, Spooky. Gonna have to deal with this column list differently though. I don't like that. Right, so basically, if it's in range of that, it's this. Otherwise, it's 0. Column lists. The offset goes from the bottom, so the offset. Does it matter? Oh, for the row definitions, this is definitely the way to go. What does this return for a 9? So it returns an offset of 1 for a 9. All for the row definitions. I should probably just do an X and a Y. It's easier. So how about we do X offset like that, and then instead of having to calculate it, it's dumb. So here we're gonna do it inversely. I don't even have a Pro Mark III. I have no clue how good it is. I genuinely have no clue how it works or anything. Like I just supported the bare minimum for Apollo. That's pretty much it. I have no clue what all the problems with it are. Provided that I touch it. I don't know, man. Pro Mark III is just yikes. Yeah, it's yucky. So X is referring to columns here. So the column should be empty, and this is row should be empty. Leave empty row. So this row list is Y offset then. Okay. And then I guess we can do the same with the column list, and let's see how bad it turns out. Yeah. Okay, then you do this. Okay. Let's see how bad this turns out. Hopefully, I know what I'm doing. Some fast slides don't even load. Yeah. I was thinking though, what if you could make the S more, like, better? But if you hack the firmware on the S and it does useful shit, would that even be possible? I actually have an S now. I haven't told pretty much anyone, I think, but I actually got myself a Launchpad S. Like, how long ago was it? I can't remember how long ago. Maybe like a year ago. I could probably pull out the exact date, but I think maybe like a year ago, I actually got myself an S. And it's kind of cute, you know? Gray S. It's a pretty cute launchpad. First try, bitches. Okay. Hopefully the mappings are all good. Because, yikes. Oh, even the Mark II works. Yeah, I actually just first tried that. Cool. Okay, let's see. How bad is this? Oh, we don't need Ableton anymore. Go away. Yeah. Go away. I need a classic. I need to get my mini back. I don't have my mini anymore. I need to get that back. I need a classic. I should get my mini back. Yeah, does this work now? Just if you... How do I even... Wait, how the fuck do I even test this without actually plugging in a launchpad? I don't even know. Okay, I generally don't know how to test for this, so I guess it's good. I can... Yeah, I don't even know. Because all of them are going to follow the same shape, so obviously they're going to match. Right? No, just testing this feature. This one feature. I don't even know how I test this. Okay, I guess I'll pull out my Pro or something. I don't even know. Let's see what I can pull out. What's the closest launchpad to me? Yeah, that would be the Pro. Pulling out the Pro, guys. The Launchpad Pro unused for a quadrillion billion years. It's being pulled out. Alright. Ooh, lights up. Looking cute. Looking not detected by Apollo. I love this. Windows doesn't even make a sound. So having a rainbow. Oh, okay. Thank you, Windows. Alright. God damn it. What was the trick for the Pro? What did you have to do to make it work? Yikes. Okay, hold on. Let me look at the price manager. Last time I checked, this Pro worked. Hold on. Alright. Nothing. Doesn't even show up now. Doesn't make a sound. Oh. Got it. Let's go. Alright. Classic Apollo moment. Why? It's literally detected. Is it just not like no data connection or something? What? Fuck off. Jesus. That's beyond annoying. I don't even know why. I might try a different cable. Maybe it's the cable. Oh, there we go. I have no clue what went wrong. It just takes a million tries. Alright, yeah, so now the plan is we push the buttons and we check if they come out properly. So we just make this. preview. Okay, you push the button, the correct thing comes out. Yep, it's pretty much as good as that gets. Okay, let's change it. So did I break the Mark II? I did not break the Mark II. Mark II is good. Did I break the matrix? Matrix looking good. Okay, so this is good. I made a matrix option for this. Commit. Okay, now I'm gonna actually try to get my matrix working because I want to see how it behaves. I have like a Founders Edition, which Null added support in for. I need a USB-C cable. Can I find that anywhere? Found it. Alright, I'm probably gonna have to spend like 20 minutes figuring out how to use a matrix. But it's okay. It plugs in from the bottom, doesn't it? Last time I remembered. The buttons on the matrix feel super nice though. Yeah, setup. That's, I know that. I don't know how the setup works though. I don't know how it's laid out. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. That shit's bright. Setting up matrix. Okay, so Null sent me a thing that I have to install first. So let's see. How do we load this? I should open it on this. Okay. Yeah, so that's this one, except he gave me a pre-release build that works with the Founders Edition. So I'm pretty sure it's max bright. I don't even know how you change this. What? I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm confusion. I'll just load up the new ones. Hold on. Compile and upload. Let's just compile the. How do you upload this? Do you have to hold the setup key? I think that's the DFU mode. Okay. Yeah, this was the one I had used. Matrix DFU. I think. Shit, I don't even know how, bro. Like, this is the OS, so. Partially, yeah, that's it. Oh, he uses an ESP now for the pros. Okay. Right. I think I should be able to make this upload work with the old. So with the just this, I think. Do I have this? It's cloned already. Let me check. I do not. I'm gonna clone it. Hopefully that doesn't take all that long. I'm gonna get a drink by the time this finishes. Watch it finish now in like 2 seconds. Wow. $200 megabytes. Fun stream, guys. Most fun stream of all time. Don't you think so? Do I even see the matrix here now? Yeah, it's an unknown device. I had to install a driver for it. Yeah, that's the matrix. I recognize the product ID. So I should set this up and then try it with Null's build, I think. I think that's how this is supposed to work. Oops. Come on, man. It's done. Yay! Love it. Alright, so I think I only really care about this. I guess it's doing something. No, I don't know what it's doing. Oh, it's there now. Okay. Installing drivers. Okay. Now what? Readme.md. Okay. Thank you. No. Yikes. Shit. It's just like no. Okay, I'm confused. Extremely. Tools driver. Yeah, that's about it though. Wasn't there like another tool maybe? Matrix DFU. Let's see. I kind of vaguely remember it being a thing. 203 no. Conversation. What's the name? Oh, Matrix. Yeah, I don't remember how this worked. I mean, I could understand them. It's just that I've never done it. I don't think they're impossible to get. If that makes sense. Okay, well, let's try to look at it from like a generic standpoint. So you have a Atmel USB device, Matrix DFU. It's libUSB DFU. So let's see, DFU Atmel. Let's see what gives us that. DFU programmer. Okay, that looks like something useful. Let's try it. Oh, it's a command line thing, of course. Yay, leak all my folders. Thank you. Okay then. Flash. Unsupported target flash. Thank you. What else do I have to do? What? Now that's even more confusing. Oh. Okay. Shit. You just specify a target. How the fuck do I do that? Is there a COM port exposed? I'm gonna assume there's a comp. That's not the matrix. No. Yeah, that's standard. So how the fuck do I talk to you? Oh, they removed the USB 0 support in that version, but this device, didn't I just see it mention driver service added libUSB 0? That doesn't sound very good. I'm gonna try with a version like this one. That sounds more promising. Let's try that one. Okay. Oh, so I have to literally type in what the processor I'm using is. What the hell? I'm gonna DM null. I just sent the message to null, but I mean, these are all ATs, and then the STMs that I have here, I'm pretty sure that none of these STMs is what's actually in the matrix, which makes me worry significantly. No, that's a different ping. There's an HTML. Does it matter? No. What CPU it is? I have a built binary. Does it really matter? Okay, what if I just did this? And then flash. Oh, okay. What can happen? No device present. Oh. Okay then. Apparently I have no devices present. What if I just did this? It gives me that bullshit again. And there's no option to list devices, at least as far as I can tell. Okay, I must look at old chat logs. Maybe there is. I don't even know when I got this. Oh, okay. I just found chats when my Matrix was shipped. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, I just found something. Kinda. What the fuck is this, dude? I have no idea, bro. I don't want to show DMs. Fuck. Where's this Matrix Hell? Oh no, that's for that. Okay, so it should have been earlier then. Should have been like way earlier. Matrix finally arrived. Okay, let's. Fuck, man. How did I figure this out back then? I don't even know. What the hell? Is it literally just ST-Link? Or something? What? I'm lost. I'm sorry. Do I still have the ST utility? Like, don't think so. Maybe I do. I'm gonna take a guess that maybe ST-Link helps. Just maybe. But I don't think this would use an ST-Link. It resembles more something like this. I have no clue how the fuck to do it though. Yeah, it's just driver installs. Maybe DFU util? Maybe. Let's try ST-Link, although I don't think it'll work. That's an installer. I don't think that'll work. Yeah, I'm fucking closing that. Go away. Let's try DFU util then. That looks like source code. Binaries. Win32. Okay, so there's like an example here. Shay0-D matrix OS and -S. That makes sense. Because that's where it starts, the address of the flash. Oh, that looks like something. Cannot claim interface, but that looks like good. That looks like good, but not very good. So close. Cannot claim interface. Let's Google it. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Oh, maybe it's just run as admin. That kind of sounds plausible. Was it -S? Yeah. Nope. Okay, maybe I need these. Nope. Not it. Cool. How about this? Yeah. Doesn't work for me, bro. Okay, maybe I need more information, like Windows. I can grab that. Yeah, I can do that. I will try this though. Okay, that's better. That's better, but not good. Okay, I'm gonna try this Zadig thing because I have used that before. Okay, now we wait. Yeah, if this doesn't work, I will have to wait until Noel gets back to me, because I don't know how he intends me to install this. Bro, check the time in the bottom right corner. Let's try it now. Nope. Nope. Oh. Okay. Is it bricked? What happened to it? Oh, it worked. It actually fucking worked. Oh my god, okay. I'm a god. So apparently those extra flags were not good for some reason. Cool. Yeah, this is the new OS, for sure. I have no idea what I'm doing. I need a tutorial for this. Any documentation, like user guide, anything. Oh, user manual. Let's go. Alright, how do you use this? Okay. Alright, let's just restart it. Okay. Application launcher will be the first thing that the OS shows. Okay, so these are applications. Okay. Yeah, that's what I see, but it's flipped upside down for me. Okay, so I need to use it like this. Okay. Available applications, performance, notes, lighting. Okay. System settings. I feel like this is not working. Oh, that's why. Okay, but I pressed the performance app and nothing happens. I can get into the settings at least. Okay, I'm pushing like all of these and like nothing's happening. Like all of those I'm pushing. It only works if I push this button. So show system setting, yeah. I feel like this is very much broken. I think this firmware is not exactly functioning. Yikes. Like, I can't exit. I can't do anything. I don't think this is how you're supposed to do it. Okay. Yeah, that works, but now I can't get out of that. So, okay. Then, none of those work. Okay. No, it just turned off. Okay, we'll see what Apollo thinks about it. Does it like it or not? Apollo likes it. Apollo thinks it's a good boy. Matrix you can get from 203 null. Oh, I get no MIDI, but I get no MIDI, but yeah, no MIDI. But at least it responded to me. And I guess this will work if I draw. No, doesn't work. Okay. MIDI 564s aren't produced anymore, so you're not gonna find them. Well, the buttons themselves should be working. What does the setup look like? Performance app. Okay, how do you get out? Thank you. This, I'm pretty sure the setup button doesn't work at all on this. So Note app, system setting. Let's go here. Some lit keys will have more advanced control panel if held down. Okay, device ID. Device info, device serial number, Bluetooth MIDI toggle. I don't have any of those because I'm using the Founders Edition. Okay. Center is brightness control. Oh, okay. Brightness control definitely works. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm on the brightest one now. My eyes are bleeding. That's brightness control. But I can't exit the settings mode now. That's the thing about it. I can't get out. And it doesn't save my settings either. It's very unstable. I can get into this menu, which is for setting the device ID, but I can't get out. Because the setup button doesn't... Yeah, the setup button just doesn't work. Oh, what the fuck? I just got into like a half state. You guys need to see what this looks like on me right now. Shit. Like, bro, this shit broke right now. Look. I'll try to get this sort of set up. Like, shit looks like this. Okay. I don't want to break it. I'll just hold it. Look. So this is supposed to come from that other menu. Like, what? Yeah, yikes indeed, bro. It does show up as a MIDI port. See, now it didn't save anything, and now I push this, nothing happens. It doesn't want to go into the app. I push this, it can go into the settings. I can't get out by using the middle thing. I cannot get out. I can make myself brighter. I can rotate myself. What's this? Enter DFU. No, we don't want DFU. We just spent time in DFU mode. It will work though. It won't even work. It will give me the version though. Oh, no, I can't leave. So I don't even care about storage not working. I just care about getting to MIDI mode, but no. Oop. My monitor just dropped. Okay. Yeah, I'm... Yeah, no, this button's dead. Setup button doesn't work, I think, and entering apps doesn't work for some reason. What's the top right one supposed to be? Oh. Wait. I have a light in here that's not on the documentation. Like, it's supposed to be here. I don't have that. What? What the fuck? Oh. Velocity. I guess. Why didn't it work the first time? Oh, now it works. But now it doesn't work. Is the top row just dead? Maybe that's it. Okay, let's... But I can't get out. I can't get out now. Because this shit doesn't work. Man. So how do I get out? It's not gonna save my settings. I think that just this top row is dead. I think that's that, and the setup is dead. I think that's just the problem. Because that works. I can rotate it again and then try. See, now I can't access this at all. But this I can access. Can't get out. Can't get out of that. Damn it. But see, I can hold down here and get the help text, but I don't think I can hold down like here. We'll see now. So this works. Yep. Nope, it doesn't work. Also, I got the bug again. Okay, looking for USB. Good job. Yeah, these are just dead. And I can't. Okay, unusable. I'm gonna report bug. Also, what else is wrong? None of the setting save onto the flash. Okay, I told Null shit don't work. Think that's a device issue? No. This matrix is barely used. Like, barely ever. I think this is a firmware problem. Because this firmware is, like, not supposed to work very well. That's what he said. He said it should be unstable, but when it said unstable, I meant, like, crashing and stuff. That's what it sounds like to me, but apparently what it actually means is, shit don't work. Which is reasonable, I guess. Right, so we don't have jack shit done. Yay. I like it plugging in from the bottom. Makes sense. Whoop. Yep, no, this row is just dead. Yep. I can't cancel this. I'm assuming you're supposed to cancel this with the middle button. But yeah. Yep. Okay. Unlucky. I'm gonna put this back in the drawer. Ow. Okay, where's my thingy? There we go. To keep the cable together. I don't know if this will fit, but I'll try. It should fit. Just barely, but it should fit. Yeah, it fits. All right. Yeah, that's enough. Doesn't need to be a lot. Okay, you're going in the drawer where you belong. Although this time I'll put it in the recently used drawer instead of the shit I haven't touched in 40 years drawer. Slight difference. Because Neil's probably gonna get back to me like tomorrow or some shit. Right, I think that's about it. I think that's about it. I don't really have anything else to do today. On the current date, but after I wake up. Yeah, okay. I will tell him. Also, I did the here is ready for 1.8.12. Whoa. Okay. Took that screenshot. I think my work here is done. I could bump the version number, I guess. On the fucking other branch though. Here, I could. Replace it with this. What else did I do last time? Oh, I changed that. Okay. What else is in here? Where? Any mentions of Patreon? Anywhere? Like. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, URL. We'll keep that in for now, but I'll get rid of it eventually. Because I don't really do that anymore. Alright. I think I'll pack it up here. Wait, I didn't fucking... Okay, I just need to commit that. Okay. Program. Okay. That'll be it. Alright. See you guys. Bye-bye.